Hello everyone, my name is David Fang. I'm the Business Development Marketing Engineer on behalf of Runningland Metrology and Testing Company. Before we begin the tour, I would like to indicate that this is a 360 degrees virtual reality video. If you have any VR devices that can view this view in its full immersive experience, please use that VR device. All set? Okay, so feel free to look around or drag the mouse cursor. So once again, welcome to Runningland Laboratories. We are internationally accredited third-party laboratory that specializes in flow analysis, condition monitoring, and calibration. So let's start off the tour at the main office. Here is where the upper management is, providing customer service, resource management, and producing analytical reports. Behind you is the office rest area, where our staff are able to take coffee breaks and lunch breaks in between. Our company and team value highly on integrity, professionalism, and quality. Okay, so let's move on to the next segment of our tour. This is laboratory number 1, where most of the incoming grease samples are tested. Our lab has a complement of standard grease analysis based on ASTM test methods such as roll stability, cone penetration, oxidation stability, and even 4-bore tester for wear. Now, the 4-bore wear tester methods is used to determine relative wear preventative properties and load-bearing capacity of lubricating fluids in sliding contact. Now, the equipment test methods are ASTM D2266 and ASTM D4172. However, in this case, our staff usually perform ASTM 2266, which is used for lubricating grease. Now, if you direct your eyes carefully to the other room, this is where our calibration labs are, which is used for calibrating thermometers, pressure gauges, and capillary viscometers. In order to enter that room, special access and password is required based on staff certifications. Now, if a staff does not have a certification for calibration, he or she is not allowed in that room. So, I would like to stop speaking here, take a look around, and once you're finished, we'll move on to the next location. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, next to the next segment of our tour, this is laboratory number 2, where analysis and testing is focused towards wear metal detection, spectroscopy, and particle detection. In this lab, the following test methods are Carl Fisher, water, PQ index, particle counter, ICP-EAS, FTIR, and a high-powered microscope for viewing particles. Now, our company's ICP-EAS is supplied by Spectro Analytical Company, located in Germany. This device uses a spectrophotometric technique by exciting electrons that emit an energy at a given wavelength. This equipment has many applications for the pharmaceutical company. However, since we are focusing on machinery fluids, we are analyzing for elements such as calcium, sulfur, magnesium, iron, zinc, and so on. Now, if you noticed in the enclosed glass room, the temperature in that room is properly adjusted for infrared spectroscopy. Runningland's FTIR is supplied by Perkin-Elmer, which is highly flexible and configurable system used to identify contaminants and fuels. Our next segment is laboratory number 3, where we test for viscosity in different liquid bath temperatures. Since this area focuses mostly on viscosity, most of Runningland's viscometers are supplied by Canon Instruments located in the United States. In this laboratory, the following tests are kinematic viscosity, cold cranking simulator, high temperature high shear viscometer, and the mini rotary viscometers. The Canon HTHS is a multi-cell capillary viscometer testing engine oils, lubricants, both in service and new at high temperature and high shear conditions. The Canon MRV viscometer, which requires a testing cycle of approximately 18 hours according to ASTM D6821, is designed for precision control of temperature over time. After completing the cycle, the MRV provides accurate yield stress and measurements results. The CCS is a solid-state thermal electrically cooled, fully automatic test instrument for the determination of cold cranking viscosity of lubricants. This lab also contains other testing instruments from AD Systems, Phalex, and Canon Instruments, but please feel free to look around and I'll show you the rest of the lab. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as we enter the main laboratory, this will be the final segment of the tour. In this main lab room, the following test methods can be done: total acid number, total base number, flash point, oxidation stability, grease thief, density, distillation test, total sediment test, pour point test, freezing point test, ash test, and so on. You can visit our website at www.runningland.cn, which details the complete list of tests available to customers through our Customer Relations Management System. Through our CRM system, you can make your purchase order through the website, and once the samples are received at our lab, they are immediately processed through our barcoding system in which we keep track of our samples. We also have a sample storage room which we respect the confidentiality of our customers. In our laboratory, we pay a lot of attention to safety and staff training. If you have any industrial or machinery fluids, whether they're in service or new, please contact us by email or call us. I hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of our laboratory, and please expect new updates and upgrades in the coming future. Until then, please enjoy the rest of our tour and see you then. Thank you for attending Runningland's VR Virtual Reality 360 Virtual Laboratory Tour. Thank you.